India Meteorological Department IMD welcomes you in daily weather briefing program of 11 January 2022. So in this briefing we will discuss about past 24 hours realized weather, synoptic systems, weather forecast and warnings for 5 days and also outlook for subsequent 2-3 days. So yesterday actually heavy rainfall at one or two places has been realized over Telangana and also hailstorm at one or two places has been realized over the same subdivision. And now let us look at the synoptic systems. So yesterday's this western disturbance now lies over northwest Rajasthan and adjoining central parts of Pakistan and also induced cyclonic circulation over North Haryana and neighborhood at 1.5 km above mean sea level, and also a cyclonic circulation over Konkan and Goa and neighborhood lower tropospheric levels, and a trough running from this cyclonic circulation to Jharkhand in lower tropospheric levels, and also a trough is running from North India Karnataka to northern parts of Madhya Maharashtra, and also a cyclonic circulation lies over southwest Bay of Bengal and neighborhood lower tropospheric level extending up to 3.1 km above mean sea level. So under the influence of these synoptic systems, weather over different parts of the country will be influenced. So before that, let us look at realized weather. So yesterday, rainfall light to moderate has been realized at most places over Uttarakhand and many places over Telangana, and at a few places over Jammu Kashmir, Ladakh, Gilgit Baltistan, and Muzaffarabad, Himachal Pradesh, Odisha, Chhattisgarh, and Vidarbha subdivisions, and at isolated places over Uttar Pradesh, East Madhya Pradesh, Bihar, and Jharkhand. Quantitatively, Telangana reported one or two stations reported 7 centimeter, and Chhattisgarh one or two stations reported 4 to 5 centimeter rainfall. And thunderstorm with hail also has been realized over Telangana at isolated places. Yesterday, cold day conditions has also been observed in many parts, and severe cold day condition in isolated parts over East Rajasthan and West Madhya Pradesh, and cold day conditions in isolated pockets over Gujarat state. So, as far as the cold day and severe cold day definitions are concerned, if minimum temperature of a day at a particular subdivisions at two stations is less than 10 millimeter, and departure in maximum temperature is less than minus 4.5 degrees Celsius, then cold day, and if it is more than minus 6.5 degrees Celsius, then it is severe cold day. So accordingly, cold day to severe cold day has been realized over East Rajasthan and West Madhya Pradesh, and cold day at isolated places over Gujarat state. As far as the fog conditions are concerned, dense to very dense fog in some parts over Punjab, Haryana, Chandigarh, Delhi, and Bihar has been realized, and in isolated pockets over Himachal Pradesh and northwest Rajasthan, and moderate fog in isolated pockets over Uttar Pradesh. Quantitatively, visibility at 0830 hours, that is in morning hours. Uh, I have given here in Ganganagar, SR, Churu, Pilani, and Surendranagar reported 25 millimeter or less, and in Delhi, Palam, Amritsar, Chandigarh, Karnal, Ambala, Bhiwani, Motihari, Darbhanga, Supol, and Purnia reported 50-meter visibility, and Delhi, Safdarjung, and Guntur, Ludhiana, Patiala, Aligarh, Fursadganj, and Sultanpur reported 200-meter visibility at morning hours of 8:30 hours. So the highlight of the today's briefing is that enhanced rainfall thunderstorm activity over east and adjoining central India. So isolated before that this under the influence of this WD only light isolated rainfall. Light to moderate isolated rainfall is expected snowfall over western region, especially over Himachal Pradesh and Uttarakhand on today, that is 11th January, and dry weather is likely for subsequent 4-5 days over western region and northwest India, plains of northwest India, and scattered to fairly widespread light to moderate rainfall is expected over Vidarbha, Chhattisgarh, Bihar, Jharkhand, Odisha, West Bengal and Sikkim, Telangana and coastal Andhra Pradesh during next 4-5 days, that is during 11 to 14 January. And isolated heavy rainfall is also expected over South Chhattisgarh today and over Odisha on 11th and 13th January, and over Telangana during 11th to 13th January. Thunderstorm with lightning and hail is also expected over Vidarbha, Chhattisgarh, Jharkhand, Bihar, Bengal, West Bengal on 11th, that is during next 24 hours, and over Odisha on 11th and 13th, and over Southern Island, West Bengal and Sikkim on 12th January 2022. Scattered to fairly widespread rainfall is expected over Arunachal Pradesh, and scattered to fairly widespread rainfall is expected over Assam, Meghalaya, Nagaland, Manipur, Mizoram, and Tripura during 11th to 13th January. So under the influence of, as already told, over southwest Bay of Bengal and neighborhood at lower tropospheric level, isolated light rainfall is expected over Tamil Nadu, Puducherry, Karaikal, and Kerala and Mahi during next 4 5 days. So this is the rainfall forecast for next 5 days over different parts of the country. As far as the minimum temperatures, cold wave and fog conditions are concerned, so as on today, minimum temperatures are above normal by 2 to 4 degrees Celsius over many parts of Punjab and Uttar Pradesh and North Madhya Pradesh and East and Northeast India. And these are near normal or below normal by 2 to 3 degrees Celsius over rest parts of North India. So as far the forecast of minimum temperature is expected, it is expected this fall by 2 to 3 degrees Celsius over most parts of plains of northwest India during next 3 days, and no significant change thereafter, and no significant change in minimum temperature is expected over rest parts of the country. And cold wave condition in isolated pockets very likely over Punjab, Haryana, and Chandigarh during 13th to 15th January, and over northeast Rajasthan during 12th to 14th January 2022. Cold day conditions also expected in isolated pockets over Punjab, Haryana, Chandigarh, West Uttar Pradesh, North Rajasthan, Madhya Pradesh and Gujarat state during next 2 days. And main is the fog condition. So dense to very dense fog in isolated to some pockets is expected during night and morning hours over Punjab, Haryana, Chandigarh, Delhi, Uttar Pradesh during next 4 5 days, and over North Rajasthan and North Madhya Pradesh during next 2 days. So this is the fog forecast for dense to very dense fog. So we can say that during next 4 5 days, dense to very dense fog is expected during night or morning hours over Punjab, Haryana, Chandigarh, Delhi, Uttar Pradesh during next 4 5 days, and over North Rajasthan and North Madhya Pradesh during next 2 days. So now go for outlook. As far as outlook is concerned, it is expected that two fresh western disturbances very likely to affect northwest India. The first from 16 January and likely to cause isolated to scattered precipitation on 16th and 17th over western region. And the second is likely to affect from 18th January, and it is likely to cause light moderate to scatter to fairly widespread precipitation over western region and light isolated to scatter rainfall over adjoining plains of subsequent 2 3 days. So we are regularly monitoring these WDs, and we will update the information time to time over our Facebook, Twitter, videos, and also our website. As already told and daily telling that we are regularly updating our website 4 times a day. You can refer if any change we are regularly updating. So kindly follow our website, Facebook, and Twitter pages for regular updates. So this is the expected impact due to the dense to very dense fog over plains of northwest India. So as far as transport and aviation is concerned, may affect some airports, highways, railways routes in areas of met subdivisions, difficulty in driving conditions with slower journey times, some road traffic collisions, and power sector chances of tripping of power lines in very dense fog routes. And as far as action is concerned, careful while driving or outing through any transport. Use fog lights during driving. Be in touch with airlines and railway and state transport for schedule of your journey. As far as power sector action is concerned, to keep a ready maintenance team and human help to avoid outing until unless emergency and to cover the face. This is the impact expected due to the hail over Vidarbha, Chhattisgarh, Bihar, Jharkhand, Gangetic, West Bengal, Odisha, and Telangana during next 24 hours. So stay indoors, close windows and doors, and avoid travel if possible during the time of hail. Take safe shelter. Do not take shelter under trees, etc. So this is the weather warning in graphics format. So orange color is given over Punjab, Haryana, subdivision due to the dense to very dense fog in night and morning hours and during next 2 days, and also this orange color is given due to the hailstorm possibility over these parts of eastern and central India, that is this Vidarbha, Chhattisgarh, Bihar, Jharkhand, Odisha, and Telangana. So these are the pockets of orange color. It is again requested kindly visit our different platforms, that is Facebook, Twitter, and Instagrams, and also this our website and see our videos. Thank you. We will meet again in another episode of Daily Weather Briefing tomorrow. Thank you.